out to all the sisters and brothers. Please take the time.
Peace and wellness to the tribe. I'm here unboxing my Nama J2. I have decided to invest in those things that need to be invested in order to have more peace of mind. With that being said, definitely going to be juicing with this today. What we got here. Now I got a Nama. So we get ready to unbox this. Right here, look at that. Cool. Oh wow. Yes. This box is boxing. This is a nice box. Let's see. Gotta figure out how to open this. I think you lay it down. So it says open here. It says open there while I'm trying to figure that out. Cut the stickers, lay it down. I think I'm gonna open it from this way so you can see what's inside. Here we go. Here we go. It looks like we have everything we need individually packed. Let's see what we got here. It says, a warm welcome from Nama. Wow. And it tells you what to start with, what piece to start with. So each box has its own, the packaging, I think you're paying for the packaging. I mean, the packaging is wonderful, but I think you're paying for the packaging. It says start here, so this is the one that you start with. It says chamber, set, and quick start guide is in here. So let's see what we got. Okay, all right, Nama. Nama's showing off up in here. Come on, Nama, come through. And it's got a little guide in there. We're gonna stick the box down here. We're gonna have limited room up here. And it has, let's open this. Let's see what we got here. Oh, wow. This is nice. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Oh my God. Whew. I'm so excited. I don't know what to do. It says, a warm welcome from Nama. Wow. This is so nice. Look at that. This is the chamber. It has the release for the juice here, the pulp. This is the part that you load the individual ingredients in. And I'm sure all of this comes apart, but I'm gonna go ahead and read the instructions. How about that? Let's see what we got in here. Okay, so this is the Nama Quick Start Guide. As you can see, another Nama instruction book, and they give you a recipe book. How cool is that? All right, so I may be trying some other recipes, y'all. Let me take a look in here. Whew, I'm so excited. Right off the top, my favorite, a green juice. Okay, this is what we have, so I can describe it appropriately. This is the hopper. Okay, so it has a release right here, and you can take this out. And this just says, we want you to maximize the benefits of your new Nama cold press juicer to safely use it with confidence, so please carefully read the user manual before using this product. Remember that this product has been designed for use by adults, and any use by children requires close supervision. And then it has this, load your hopper with this order for best results. Leafy on the bottom, soft, medium, and hard. Okay, let me read everything. This says, warning, Never put fingers or other objects into the hopper. They keep saying that because it looks like this is a sharp situation going on. And then it just screws off like this. So this is the hopper right here. And the hopper opens up like this. It has the little release on the handle. And then you have the auger, which is what's gonna press the juice down. And then you have the strainer. Oh my God, it's so nice, so nice. It is so nice, y'all. All right, so it has the strainer. Oh my gosh, so nice. This here separates as well, and it's the spinning brush. So it comes apart as well, like so. So this is it separated for easy cleaning. This is gonna be so beautiful. So you have the spinning brush, the strainer, which connects together like so. It goes together. They click in together. This fits into the chamber. This is the chamber, and then it just goes in like so. It has a little hole right here that lines up with the hole in the bottom of the chamber here. So you make sure you line that up so that you're getting, and it should probably click together. So that did fit right down in there. It clicks in, and then you take the auger and you click it into place. There it is. Oh, there it is. It's clicking. All right. I heard it click. Okay, it says that it should be flush with the rest of it. So this is flush. All right. And then when you're realigning the hopper onto the chamber, it says make sure that you're lining up with the lines. Line it up, you're gonna set it on. There is on the front of here, you can barely see it probably, but there is a lock and an unlock. There's a lock and an unlock here where you're going to put that in there, and you just turn it like this, and you want to make sure the back of this right here is locked up. That's the very beginning part of putting together the juicer. So here we have the base. When I tell you this sucker is heavy, it's heavy, okay? But for me, it being heavy says that it's put together really well. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the other pieces. We have a coarse strainer. I'm gonna have to figure out what the coarse strainer is for. And then here is the juice and the pulp container. So we'll have all this all set up in just a minute. Get ready to open the base and see what we got. And it's packaged just as nice as the hopper was. It has the detachable cord, and I'm gonna pull it out like this because this thing sucker is heavy. It's in the bag as well. So all right, let's go, Nama. This is what the base looks like. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and set that down. I'm gonna go back to the instruction guide, and I'm gonna look to see what's next. Putting the hopper into the chamber assembly on the base. First, before we do that, this is where the plug goes in. All right, plugs in here. Like so. Turn this around like that. Connection here, that connects with the connection here. And then you set it on top here. This here has a release to clean the pulp area. So while you're juicing, you would have it up. And so you stick this on top of here like that. If you heard the little click, so know that it's on there. There's nothing else to do but set it on there. The next thing we're gonna open is gonna be the juice container. Here we go. Has the nice container, feels so good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set it up the way it should look. So you can see. Pulp goes on this side, and the pulp goes on this side, the juice release is on this side. So this is very nice, I mean very, very nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the other strainer as well. It has a coarse strainer. This is used to release more pulp into the juice. It has larger holes, and it also is good to make soups. It also has the pusher and the cleaning brush, which is always nice to have. And the beautiful thing about this is that Nama comes with a 15-year warranty on parts, motor, and with someone guaranteeing that on a juicer, they're saying that their product is A1. We're going to put this to the test. So come on, let's check it out and see how it works.
Free from the night, reclaiming health, finding a light. With every step, I feel alive. In the sun's embrace, I thrive. I planted seeds of hope, they grew into trees. Branches reaching for the stars, so free. I watered them with sweat, with tears, with time. Now they stand tall, a symbol of mine. The path was hard, the road long and steep, but I held on, never let go of sleep. I woke up each morning, ready to fight, to reclaim my health, to live a life right. With every breath, I felt the world around. Nature's rhythm, my own heart sound. I walked the fields, felt the earth beneath, healing wounds, finding peace, letting the rest. In the quiet moments, I heard my spirit speak, guiding me, making me weak no more. I knew the strength within, the power to
Juice, y'all. Let's taste it.
in the silence, I found my real.
It's pure. You can taste every ounce of the flavor of everything that was added to it. The ginger is popping, baby. The ginger is popping. Cheers.
In the sun.